This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a Mercedes-Benz GLC300, and we thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs on that vehicle. First up, let's show you how to change the engine air filter. Reach into the driver's side of the engine bay. Lift off the engine cover first. Pull back on this back cover and tuck it out of the way. Loosen 4 T25 Torx bolts in the perimeter of the housing. Disconnect the wiring and connectors.
So now there is one kind of up in the back, and if you look, there's some hoses and stuff here. We're going to come right here, and there's a little tab here, and if you push this, we can essentially just kind of release the connector. So we have this section off. This section, we just want to lift up and off like that, and we're just basically disconnecting all that wiring from there. There is another connector here in the back. This one we need to take off, and we're going to push the tab up, and then to unlock it, and then push in on the tab. So once we have the bolts out and those wires disconnected, we're going to come here to the air intake. Now, the easiest way to do this is there's 2 little tabs here on the top. So kind of push in on those and kind of pry this back, because we're basically just going to move this hose out of the way. Now, there are 2 more tabs on the bottom. They're kind of difficult to get to. So hopefully, if you just kind of get the top off, you should be able to kind of get your fingers and hopefully just wiggle and pull, and that'll come back. And then basically, right here is where we're looking. There's these 2 hoses connected right here that you need to squeeze these tabs and disconnect these hoses. I am going to come here and take this section off. So here's the clamp. What you want to do is, you can start pretty much anywhere, but basically this is just going to pull straight out. So we just kind of want to get in there and then just slide this off. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now, hopefully with this thing disconnected, we can pull this out and kind of away from this hose and hopefully get this out of here. Okay, and you can see it disconnected from that hose there.
Next, we're going to show you how to take out both cabin air filters on this vehicle. Reach under the glove box. Remove this T20 Torx bolt. Pry the panel down. There are 2 connectors to disconnect on the back of the panel. Press the tab and pull the connector out to release. Turn this connector to release it. Lift the panel back up. Pry up on this section of the panel to release it further. This will disengage the back hook on this panel. Reach in here for the cabin air filter access cover. Slide the cover this way, then pull the cover off. The filter can now be removed. Pull it down to remove it. Let's access your second cabin air filter. Reach into the passenger side of the engine bay. Disengage the 2 front fasteners on this panel, then lift the panel up and off. Press in on the tabs on the sides of the cabin air filter assembly. You may need to use a tool. Slide the assembly out of the vehicle. Pull the cabin air filter out from the tray. And finally, we're going to show you how to remove the taillight housing and disconnect it. Reach in behind the housing. Pry off this small cover. Loosen the 3 8mm bolts on the back of the housing. Be careful not to drop the bolts. Pry the bulb housing forward and away from the vehicle. Reach behind it and disconnect the connector. Press the tab and pull the connector out. You can change the housing. We also recently showed you how to change the entire headlight housing too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more car repair videos and more in-depth car repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.